Hi guys, welcome to the part 2 of getting started tutorial series with PySpark Python. Let's look at some of the basic commands from PySpark. In the first tutorial, we learned about installation of PySpark. I told you what PySpark is about. And we just did a hello world program. Basically, we just printed a data frame. Now let's dive a little deeper. So we are gonna do the basics, okay? So let's get started. So the first command is called as df.take. What df.take does is basically it returns the first n rows. So you can say first 2, 3, 4 means first 3 rows, 4 rows and stuff like that. The output is something like this. Here you can see city, basically it's Paris, type as food and then price. Now then we have a command called as df.print schema. Print schema basically tells you the schema of the data frame. For example, it tells you, hey, city is string, nullable is equal to true, it can be null, okay. Type is a string, it can be null, and price is a double, it can be null as well. That's what it's telling the root, right? These are the schema of it, okay. If I say df, it's basically says that it's a data frame and it prints basically again kind of a schema. If I say df.dtypes, again it's going to tell me the schema, but in a way of list of tuples, list of basically tuples. So here you can see df.explain basically tells you a little bit information about the data frame. And if you want to select a column, so you can say df.select and then in the round brackets in quotation, you would say the column name, and .show means show the data frame, or you can say .take 5 or 2, basically show first 2 or first 5. What if you want to select multiple columns? Okay, you can provide a list argument. You can say df.select. Then in a list, you can say city and then type, right? These are the two columns I have, .show, right? Now, let us do one more thing. Basically, if you want to select, let's say, if you instead of the city and type, if you want to select the price, you can say df.select. And if you want to select multiple, then provide a list argument, provide a city. Then basically we want to provide a column called as price. We already have that, right? Yeah, price. And then basically we are going to take the first rows out of it. So let's say first 3 rows. So here you can see this is how basically the basic commands of PySpark, right? So in this tutorial, you learned about few very basic commands: the take command, the print schema command, the dtype commands, the explain command, the select commands. If you want to select multiple columns or multiple basically columns, as I said, you can pass something like this. So that's it for this video. I would stop right here, and in the upcoming videos, we'll be looking into more commands of PySpark, such as group by, sort, performing operations on data frames and stuff like that. So see you in the part 3. Thank you.